Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on Crypto Network, I am bringing you a powerful update from one of the most responsible exchanges in the game, and its name is EcoBit. Before we get into the details, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Crypto Network and hit that bell icon to stay ahead of the crypto curve where regulation meets innovation. Let's break it down simply. The Trevor Rule is a global anti-money laundering standard by FATF, the Financial Action Task Force. It requires VASPs, that virtual asset services providers, to share sender and the recipient data during crypto transactions. And in South Korea, the Code Alliance is setting the benchmark. It's a powerful compliance network that connects major Korean exchanges like Upbit, BitHub, and Coin1, enabling secure and automated data sharing through CODEV ASP's technology. Code is not just a rule, it's the bridge to regulatory trust. EcoBit integrates with Code Alliance. Big news, EcoBit is now officially connected to the Code VASP, meaning it's already aligned with Korean crypto compliance laws. What this means for users: instant regulatory compliance, seamless and secure transaction data transfer, future-proof access to cross-border compliant crypto transfer. By aligning with Korea's Code Alliance, EcoBit stays ahead of global compliance trend. So what's is in it for you? Let's keep it real. Your trades are compliant by default. You can interact with Korean and global exchanges with peace of mind. Your data and assets are protected through industry-grade security. Real platform, build trust before trends. EcoBit chooses compliance first. And the next question is, what is EcoBit? If you are new to EcoBit, here's what makes it stand out. EcoBit is a secure and intuitive centralized crypto exchange designed for both beginners and pro traders. It offers, here you can check, it offers the different features like market, spot trading, future trading, copy trading, and here you can check the lead trader requirement and partner recruitment. So these are the amazing offer provided by the EcoBit, and here we will get that spot trading, buy and sell crypto instantly with real-time market prices, future trading, long or short cryptocurrencies with leverage designed for advanced strategies, access to popular assets like BTC, Ethereum, and a wide range of trading altcoins. A user-friendly interface that keeps your experience smooth and efficient, institutional level security to safeguard your assets at every step. It's built on the pillars of efficiency, fast order matching and execution, fairness, transparent pricing, and zero manipulation. Transparency is the amazing feature that is full visibility over your funds and activity. And here you can check that whether you are a new trader or a seasoned pro, EcoBit makes your crypto journey smoother and safer. So here you can check the further details that EcoBit bringing so many opportunities for you. You can check crypto market, you can check different cryptocurrencies and their price and their change and volume, and here you can check the platform advantages, user-friendly interface, advanced security, global coverage, and here you can start your crypto journey with EcoBit. So you can download it in the form of application. It's available on iOS and Google Play. Here first of all you will have to register your account. Later I will explain how can you register your account. So EcoBit partners list have been provided you, and here you can check the big names of the industry. You can start your crypto journey now. The link has been given, and here you can check the social media community of the EcoBit. So first of all I will explain how can you join EcoBit and how can you register your account. So this is the process. So if you want to create your account and register your account on the EcoBit, so here is the process. First of all you will have to enter your email, and then you will have to enter your password, and after putting this you will have to accept the terms and condition, and then you can register your account. So this is very simple and easy process. Creating your account is very simple. First of all you will have to visit EcoBit website, and then you will have to click sign up and create your account, and then you will have to complete KYC verification for enhanced security and limits, and then you can start trading instantly with spot or futures, your choice. If you want real-time updates, insider news, and direct community support, join our Telegram community. Connect with thousands of active users, get support, updates, and announcements, and engage in live discussions. So join the Telegram community of the EcoBit. And the next one is the official Twitter page of EcoBit. And here you can check get instant alerts on news listings, trading competitions, feature updates, and industry insights. Being part of our community means you are staying informed and always one step ahead. I would suggest all my viewers to follow the EcoBet Exchange Twitter page. So dear viewers, if you want to trade smarter, trade safer, trade with EcoBit, new code aligned, join the compliant future of crypto at EcoBit, and don't forget to follow us and join the conversation on Twitter and Telegram. Crypto compliance is a global and EcoBit platform just took a major step forward by joining Korea's Code Alliance under the FATF travel rule. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow traders. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.